get ready with me to the beach tomorrow. May snack, lotion, 2 goggles for my sister and my goggles. My sunscreen, may pamaypay, my other swimsuit. Book and my pencil. I'm gonna draw eraser. Bye.